Speaker, sir,
Yes.
I request to move the bill number 16 of 2023, the Goa Regularization of Unauthorized Construction Amendment Bill 2023, be taken into consideration.
प्रश्न असो आसा विधेयक विचारान घेवचें जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालां हय म्हणटाचें
consideration day.
I'll explain first.
No,
त्या विचारान घेवपाचो प्रस्ताव मांडात. Yes.
Speaker, sir,
आता विधेयक कलमवार सभागृहांत सादर करता विधेयकात
No, explain.
Yes. Consideration मांडात.
Speaker, sir, Section 3, as far as this amendment of this bill is concerned, Section 3, amendment carried out, proviso added in the view of Section 3A and C, written consent of all co-owners or family members where the property land is divided, allotted between all co-owners or members of families by an order or decree of the court in any proceedings or by any registered deed or instrument was needed by this amendment. Written consent is not needed. This is one. Section 3(6), subsection 6 is amended. No application shall be entertained by the authorized officer where the title or ownership of any property land upon which unauthorized construction has been carried out in subject matter of a dispute between any court, tribunal, or any statutory authority, or such court, tribunal, or statutory authority has passed any injunction or granted status quo or any prohibitory order against such property, land, or construction. Speaker, sir, Section 3, subsection 7. Title or ownership of any property land is subject matter of a dispute before any court, tribunal, or any statutory authority, but no such injunction or status quo or any prohibitory order is granted against such property, land, or construction by such court, tribunal, or statutory authority. The authorized officer passes any order of regularization of unauthorized construction under this Act. Such order shall be subject to the decision of such court or tribunal or statutory authority. Section 3, subsection 8 is amended. More clarity is given to subsection 8 by adding following words: or in any contract, judgment, decree, or order of any court or any statutory authority or any instrument having the force of law, to give overriding effect to the existing Act. Section 7 substitute. To achieve desired object of this Act, Section 4, 5, 12, and 14 of Limitation Act 1963 are made applicable while filing appeal. Validation. Entertaining appeal by the government after expiry of 60 days by condoning the delay in filing such appeal is validated, to give power of condonation of delay.
What is the, why are you doing this?
What
you explain?
Yeah, there was a court matter last time where the former minister had given the condonation, a delay of condonation was allowed by her. But in that act, there was no provision to allow the condonation of delay by the same. So now here we have brought that condonation of delay to be the same.
Yes.
आता विधेयक कलमात सभागृहात सादर करता विधेयकाक दुरुस्त्यो नात. प्रश्न असो आसा कलम 2 ते कलम 5 कलम 1 अधिनियम सूत्र आणि प्रदीर्घ मथळ्याचो विधेयकाचो भाग जावचो काय कितें जेकाय मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें. हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें. कलम 2 ते 5 कलम 1 अधिनियम सूत्र आणि प्रदीर्घ मथळ्याचो विधेयकाचो भाग जाल्यात. महसूल खात्याच्या मंत्र्यान आता विधेयक मानून घेवपाचो प्रस्ताव मांडचो.
Sir, I request to move that Bill number 16 of 2023, the Goa Regularization of Unauthorized Construction Amendment Bill 2023 be passed.
प्रश्न असो आसा विधेयक मानून घेवचें जेका मान्य आसा ताणें हय म्हणचें जेका मान्य ना ताणें ना म्हणचें. हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें हय म्हणटाचें म्हणणें मान्य जालें. गोंय अनधिकृत बांदकामाचें अधिनियम अनुकरण दुरुस्ती विधेयक 2023 मान्य जालात.